Hello everyone, welcome to Friendlish, a new way to learn English. How are you my friends today? I hope all of you are very fine, physically and mentally. And you also are very much excited to learn English. The weather outside is splendid, super, and I'm enjoying it completely. You know what? The rainy season is knocking at our door. And my friends, this is the best time to practice English. So I'm here with another video, and here you will get lots of new informations, lots of new things about English. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna share with you two things of English language. These two things are very important. The first one is the science behind speaking. Yes, the science behind speaking. Whatever happens around us, there is science behind it. And that's why I'm here to discuss the science of speaking. And if you are able to understand this science, my friend, you would never need any teacher to learn English language. So please watch it carefully. And the second thing that I'm going to share with you, it's a secret from my side, right? It's a secret. The second thing that I'm going to tell you today is how a beginner can start speaking within a day. Means if you are a beginner, you can describe anything that you see in your life. So these are the two things that I'm gonna discuss in this video. So watch it completely, don't skip a single part, and learn it as fast as possible. Let's start. If you search in science book, you will find that we speak using our speech organs like lips, tongue, jaws, and larynx. This larynx means our vocal cord. It creates sounds, and the other organs help to make the sounds meaningful. My friends, this is half of the fact. The other part that we often avoid is listening. Yes, my friends, listening and speaking are interrelated. No one can separate them. It is very important to listen fast. But unfortunately, most of the learners, they never pay attention to listening. It is my own experience that if you are not listening, that means you are not going to learn speaking as well. Another example that will help you to understand my point. When we were infant, our attention span was brief, very brief. Our brain wasn't mature, but still we managed to learn our mother tongue. Do you know how was it possible for you? How did you do that? My friends, it was possible because at that time you paid attention only to listening. You listened to the words, the sounds that you got from the speaker at that time, and you understood day by day the exact position of words in any language. Maybe your mother tongue is Bengali or Tamil or Hindi or English. Okay, but you learned it just using your listening skills. Means you were not even mature, but the power of listening helps you to understand any language. At that time, you didn't pay attention to grammar. You didn't learn it anywhere, but you were able to speak right. That is the fact. And so from today, our aim is to listen English as well. And what to do to listen English? We all have televisions, maybe smartphones in hand. So we can watch news, English news. We can watch movies and songs as well. But sometimes you will find problem just to understand their pronunciation. And that's why I'm going to tell you that you can watch the movies that contains a subtitle right in front of you. That will help you to understand the words, and you will also, understand how to pronounce the words in their way. This is the first and most important part for every beginners. If you are studying now, then start listening first. Without listening, it's not possible for you to learn speaking. Now, let's talk about the second point. Yes, the second one means the secret that I'm gonna share for the beginners. Yes, beginners, after watching this video, you are going to learn how to make sentences to describe any object, any picture that you see in your life. Yes, it's very important because this will help you to understand English in a better way. So we will talk about introductory there. Okay, maybe we learned it somewhere before, but today we will understand it in a different way. Introductory there is a very vital part of English grammar, but we casually avoided it during our school hours. Maybe you learned it, but you didn't apply it in your life properly. And that's why in this video I will show you how much powerful is it. Means this introductory there will help you to create sentence in your mind and to describe any object, any picture that you see in your life. So let's start. While learning this introductory there, we have to remember a simple grammatical rule. It's related to verb. Okay, so when we are talking about any object which is singular in number, means the object is one, we will use there is. And when the object is plural in number, means more than one, we'll use there are. These are the two facts that you should keep in mind. We will use there is for singular and there are for plural. And after understanding it, just repeat the lines after me. I'm going to show you a picture, and in this picture I will describe everything that it contains. Means the birds, houses, rivers, whatever is there. So that's why repeat after me the lines that I'm going to tell you. Okay, and after repetition you will understand that you could also make sentences like this about any object, any picture apart from this one. Okay, so let's start. Let's watch the picture very carefully and repeat the lines after me. Don't forget, repeat the lines after me. It's a beautiful picture. There are many things in this picture. There are mountains very far. There is a slow moving stream in the picture. There are many birds flying in the sky. There are many houses. There are many big trees. There is a narrow path. There are many rocks. There is also a small wooden bridge. There are two swans swimming in the stream. There are many beautiful flowers. It is a very nice picture of our nature. I hope you understood how much easy it was to describe anything, any object, any picture just by using introductory there. So now my friends, my beginners, please start describing other pictures, like take a picture of any village, any city, take the picture of your office, take the picture of your home where you live and start describing them, right? And don't forget to use the rules of introductory there. There is and there are. This is the vital part of it, and if you are able to put them in your mind properly, then you would never face problem describing any object using introductory there. Okay, thanks. I hope this channel is helping you very much. So please support me and spread it among your friends, among your relatives. Maybe there is someone who needs it desperately. Thanks for watching and bye-bye everyone. Ta-da.